Hello there, I'm Donnell Gary Jr. This is my introduction. I was born and raised in Dayton, Ohio. The city is very small and it's also known as the Gym City. I've been here my whole life. I was there my whole life, born and raised. I went to high school out there. It's called Northmont High School. I graduated in 2017 and that is where I'm from. My first job was in a smaller section of Dayton, Ohio, and it was called Inglewood. I was a waiter at Bob Evans, and I made not a lot of money at all. I was very underappreciated at the job. Didn't really like it at all. I had cool coworkers. That's what made it okay. That's why I like going to work and making money, but I knew that that job wouldn't last for me. It didn't bring me any happiness. But I did enjoy the paychecks while they lasted. So there's that. What I plan on doing after Clark State, I am currently getting my associate's degree in art. I was stuck up on what degree I should get. I was a business major at first, and my first class I took at Clark State was accounting, and I had failed it, and I was pretty down on myself. Didn't really know what I wanted to do. So I dug deep, and this is what I'm gonna do. I believe I'm an artist, and I plan on moving on with my life after college, like I should have did after high school. I believe I should have never went to college. I personally believe a college degree currently does hold weight and it does open opportunities for you, but it is very unneeded in certain fields. And I'm glad I am getting my degree, pursuing my degree. I think that's a wise decision. But a lot of people don't have theirs and they're doing great. And a lot of people do have their degree and they're also doing great. So it just depends how you look at it. I'm interested in music though, and everything about music. You know, photography. I love fashion. To accessories, hats, jerseys, all the way to shoelaces and the collar on your t-shirt. I think everything is a design, and everything is stitched together perfectly for a reason. I'm interested in real estate, hotel B&B. So you can rent out hotel B&Bs now. You can still flip houses, auction houses, mortgage houses. I'm into Bitcoin and Forex, trading stocks. I'm interested in that. There's an insurance company called Primerica that I'm also interested in. They've given me a few opportunities to come work for them after college. So there's that. But in my mind, I would like to leave Ohio. I'm currently in South Carolina while I'm recording this at Myrtle Beach. But in December, when I plan on graduating Clark State, I plan on moving somewhere out west in 2020. My birthday is tomorrow. Happy birthday to me. Woo! August 25th. But I plan on moving somewhere out west in 2020 before I'm 21 and finding some type of work. I'm really open to all types of work. I'm a very open person. I'm a very artistic person. I like a variety and I like to have a foot in every door. And those doors can range from moving trucks. People move a lot. People need things moved all the time, all the way to construction. You know, building roads, building houses, building sheds, anything people need. To lawn care business, people need their grass cut. You know, anything, weeds whacked. You know, a lot of people work on houses to sell them to flip houses. So they need people to come, maybe renovate basements and, all types of stuff. The restaurant business. I love food. I think everybody likes food, whether if you're vegan or a carnivore. And I think food now is getting crazy. There's a lot of chemicals going into food. There's not a lot of healthy foods to eat anymore. So I think maybe creating a little artistic vision, adding a little artistic vision into food and health, I think that can really change America. Video games. I love video games. I've been playing since I was a kid. And I think I could create some pretty cool and fun video games that kids can maybe learn from while they enjoy playing the game. Global warming awareness. I put that because I think more agencies and even nonprofit organizations could do more for the homeless and people in need and take care of our planet more. I think that ties into the same category to me. And I believe that I want to help. I think that I can help in the future, of course. When I have a team, I believe that I can make a difference, and me and my people can make a difference in cleaning up our planet, because it is getting bad. Global warming is a real thing, and the earth is heating up. So before we catch on fire and things go south, I think we should all try to help the world. Back to school drives and things for children, like children's education. A lot of kids are misguided in the United States and all over the planet. So just sending kids to school, creating jobs more for kids, I think that'll give them something to do and give them some money to put in their pockets. So whether if it's like opening up a studio in a neighborhood, or even, building a basketball court or a volleyball court, just giving people something to do. Rob Dyrdek created a skate park. And Rob Dyrdek is a famous comedian now. He's a skateboarder. He owns a part of DC shoe company, and they sell apparel too and hats. And he created a skate park in Dayton, Ohio, Kettering, Ohio, for kids to come and skate. It's been there for quite a while. I'm into AAU teams and, teams that give kids kind of like an extra chance. I think some high schools, like the high school I played for, Northmont, they do a great job at bringing up athletes, but I don't think that they do a great job at taking them to the next level. I think schools, they do play favorites, of course, and some people definitely deserve it, but I think sometimes people are overlooked because it doesn't look good. So the people who really have heart, sometimes don't get the chances that they deserve. And I think creating an AAU team that allows them to play with more heart and more, I think that'd give them an extra chance to make it in life. The last thing I put was recreational and medical marijuana. I put that because there's a lot of money in that business, and whether it's from healthcare, or just people wanting to feel better, all the way to headaches, to stomach sickness. You might get sick on the plane. Anything, you might have sore muscles, seizures, and I think that medical and recreational marijuana is a very green thing. I think that goes back to the global warming, just going green, and even food. I think going green is the best option for the planet. Plants, herbs, and things like that, nuts, can definitely make a difference in our lives and make us healthier people. So that's why I said medical and recreational marijuana. It's proven, it's a proven fact. It's a $1 billion industry already. And I think if we're smart people would invest in it. And it's coming closer to Ohio. I was just in LA, and that's definitely legal down there. They have it legal in Las Vegas, Chicago, Washington, D.C., and some of the bigger cities, and I think it's going to spread when people realize that that's the last of the problems, is something that's grown on the earth. So, basically, the awards I plan on getting is a gold record. I'm not a rapper. I don't really participate in music right now, but I definitely want to when my life is at that point. So I always thought I would be something like that. So yeah, Emmy or a Grammy. I love movies. I definitely think I can be in one. And when I get my life together, hopefully I can go in a movie, and hopefully I get a great role, and I can keep doing my thing until I get an Emmy or a Grammy, or $1 million check that I can buy a house with, start a family with, help my family with, and invest in everything I just said in this introduction. Because I'm definitely doing this for myself and my family, but I want to help the world as well. But it is a very cold world sometimes, and I know that. So that's what I want to do.